Hello, my name is Kathryn Carter, and I'm a student athlete swimming here at Dixie State University. So when people ask me why I want to become a nurse, I think back to two instances. And the first is when my great-grandpa was in the hospital a couple years ago because of medical complications. And while he was there, he didn't receive the best care, which made him scared of the nurses in hospital. And this was hard to see because I know how hard nurses work to provide care for patients, but it ultimately motivated me to want to become a nurse so I could help make a difference in any way that I could. The second reason is because my dad is in the Air Force. So growing up, my family moved every 2 years, and that was hard, but it exposed me to so many different cultures, peoples, and ideas that I definitely think it was worth it. Additionally, it taught me a lot about principles of grit and professionalism that I know I can contribute to the nursing program. So to me, the GRIT acronym means being adaptable to changing situations around you, all while maintaining an open and professional mindset. This includes the willingness and patience to work with others in any given situation despite challenges you may be facing. Ultimately, it tells me that I always need to put forth a positive effort to learn to overcome challenges and to strive to be the best I can be even when times are tough. Being raised in the military also taught me that using professionalism is just as important as enacting the principles of grit. In relation to the nursing field, you are responsible for representing safety and care in a safe and committed way. So when you're unprofessional, it harms that image and diminishing the purpose of your duty and your patient's trust in you as a caregiver. Valuing and teaching nursing professionalism will produce nurses who will go on to help build environments where individuals can trust in their caregivers, where they can grow and develop, and where safety can be provided. So being exposed to so many different cultures through the military helped me to discover the utmost importance of working in harmony with others, regardless of personal background, beliefs, or ideas is. It taught me that we each come from a different circumstance and there's no room to judge that circumstance. Instead, I've learned how to become understanding and empathetic of these circumstances, and by doing so, I've created and strengthened so many relationships that I have and built trust and confidence in others and them in me. The military taught me how to be a diligent, motivated worker, how to represent and respect a cause, and ultimately how to be a kind and empathetic individual. So I want to be a loving, joyful light for patients experiencing painful situations like my great-grandpa did, and I know I can be that empathetic caregiver that will make a difference in their hospital stay. My great-grandpa always said, if it is to be, it is up to me. So if we are to have a workplace characterized by principles of grit and professionalism, then it's up to me to do my part. I want to thank you for your time and your consideration.